In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to reach the Prestige album in Monopoly Go. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about albums in Monopoly Go and what is the Prestige album. So currently, during the time that I'm recording this video, the Star Wars album is active, but this will be applied for any sort of album that you see when you download the game. So basically, some sets will have prestige attributed to them. Once you finish the first album before it expires, so for example, if I finish this Star Wars album between these 51 days before it goes away, I would unlock an additional album. So basically, it resets the entirety of the album with some additional cards called prestige. So essentially, you will be completing it over again. By doing this, you will acquire extra rewards, and of course it is harder to get because you will need to acquire all of the cards that you did, plus some additional ones. So, you will get special rewards. Usually it is going to be a gold reward at the top, and of course more money and a lot more dice. So after you finish the main set, all that you have to do is keep going and complete it again. There's no secret to this. There's no guarantee that every single album is going to have prestige attributed to it, but to keep it simple, just complete the entirety of a single album, and if you go over to the album tab again and you see that it says for you to complete the prestige album to win more rewards, then all that you have to do is gather all of the cards again and get this done. There is absolutely no secret to this. Of course, this is going to require a lot of attention from you because you need to complete essentially 2 albums in the time frame of 1, so make sure that if you are going for a prestige reward, you complete it before the album expires and goes away. You will be able to check the cards and trade them as needed. I hope I was able to help you on how to reach Prestige Album in Monopoly Go. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.